What's going on, Always Occupied Nation? Welcome to the channel where we review damn near everything for the home and the garage. And right here we have something called PULIDIKI. All right, this is a slime or gel or whatever you want to call it. It says Universal Dust Cleaning Gel. All right, this is clearly right here, made in China. If you got a problem with that, then feel sorry for you. All right, this is a cleaner for keyboards, car vents, cameras, printers, calculators, but we are going to use it on our car. Now, there is no instruction kit when you get this. This is basically your instruction kit right here. It says it clearly on this bottle. Basically, you take it out of here, you put it to where all the dust or the dirt molecules are, and that's it. On here it says, note, keep away from kids, don't eat it. Clearly right there, don't eat it. All right, keep away from direct sunlight and keep in a dry place. All right, all your stuff is right there to see. So let's go ahead and take it out. Now, I had this for like a year. I never used it, and it's been warm outside. I've been cleaning my car out here in Maryland, and this is all right. So it's not really slimy. All right, it's not slimy at all, really. Trying to see about cleaning. Don't say nothing about cleaning. I guess you just wash it to clean it. Oh, had an expiration date on here, 9/20/23. So I'm still good, if you worried about expiration dates. So they put the expiration date right there on the back part. Boom. All right, note to you, if you don't like looking at people's dirty cars, or if you think it's disgusting, then you might as well click off. That is the warning for you. So we got the gel out right here, and oh, it works. Trying to get into these cracks. All right, something right there. It got it out. I feel all the dirt. Now this is just to get main dirt out, you guys. Yep, and it definitely got a lot of dirt. Don't know if y'all can see it or not. It's a lot of sunlight, but definitely got a lot of dirt out of there. All right, let me go ahead to the sink real quick, wash it off, and finalize this review. This is not really rocket science, but want to wash it to see, and that's it. Let me wash it, and then I'll get back to y'all so y'all see how dirty it is, right? Y'all see how dirty it is. I'm gonna wash it right now. Well, you guys, the product is great, but I made it boo-boo. So I washed it and it washed off great, but don't use a paper towel to try to dry it. Now I'm screwed. This stuff, the paper towel is stuck on this stuff. So yeah, I screwed up. I will have to order another one. I might wait till the weather actually kick back into the at least the mid 60s. It's 60s now, but the temperature is still dropping. But I washed it, and for what I have, this little bit that's left, I just broke it up. It is still sticky, you guys. So if you enjoyed the review, this stuff really works. When you wash it, it gets really slippery, so this thing will slip out of your hands. I will still keep this little bit of piece because this is the last good piece I have. The rest is basically paper toweled. So do not, I repeat, do not use a paper towel to dry. They should have told me that, but there was no instructions when I got this, so I'm basically winging this thing out. Maybe I should just look at the description. Let me look at the Amazon description and then I will finalize this. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this PULIDIKI gel, cleaning gel for your car, or dust cleaning for your computers and stuff like that. So as you've seen in the video, this thing cleans very well. Now, there is a little part on their description where it says, don't use water to clean this. They say when it turns black, just throw it away. Now, here's my issue with that. When you start cleaning certain areas in your car where it's really like dirty, I'm not just gonna put it back in here and just reuse it, okay? So they saying use it until it turns black. I don't know what turns black mean. Me, it's like I will use it until I get particles and stuff on it, which I still have some, but I did wash it, as you've seen. Now, if you do use water on this, don't use the paper towel, all right? Y'all see that in the video. Don't use the paper towel. We're gonna go ahead and take it back out. Now, this has been a week after I washed it. All right, it's been in the garage, it's cold in the garage, but as you can tell, it still has its shape, all right? Now let me see if I cleaned my car already, but let me see if it still works on a certain area. Yup, so it still pick up dirt, all right? I use it where you put your foot at on the car, so it still picks up dirt. So for them to say don't use water, I guess they don't want you to keep reusing it. They want you to keep buying the gels. All right, and I'm pretty sure all the gels say that, don't use water. But me, I used water and rinsed it off, and I will use it again. All right, I am not going to keep on buying these every time I want to clean my car. This is not going to happen. But anyways, this stuff works. So there you go. It works. I used it. I washed it. On the description, it says don't wash it. I'll post it somewhere so y'all can actually see it. So I'm not going to keep using this where it has a whole bunch of dirt and particles on there. It's not going to happen. So other than that, this product do work. I like it, especially when you need to get into really tight cracks on your car's interior. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.